This is how to use negative prompts in Leonardo AI for beginners. You can find it here after you have clicked on the advanced settings. Negative prompts let us specify exactly what we don't want in the image. In this case, we want a clean, futuristic samurai look without prominent hair details. As you can see, samurai's hair is glitched. So I will add it in the negative prompt. I am going to write some things that will be useful to you. Feel free to copy them. These are some of the most common errors that you can see in Leonardo AI. If you want, you can go to the homepage and look at some of the other people's creations, and there you can see negative prompts. Some people don't add them, as we can see, but other people are using them. Let's find some image that is using a negative prompt. This one is using it. Just copy this negative prompt and put it in your creation tab.